channel. So in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to get this look. So today I have decided to do a smoky eye. A smoky eye really stands out and it looks really nice with Indian outfits. So I thought, why not do a smoky eye tutorial for you guys. It's very easy to achieve. If you guys want to see how to get this look, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed watching this video. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I have a new video uploaded. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Drops of Light from the Body Shop. This is a serum and I got it in a sample size. So this is surprisingly not oily at all and it feels very nourishing. So I really liked this overall. So next, for the primer, I'm going to use the Benefit Professional on the areas where I have pores, and I'm going to press that into my skin. For the foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in the shade 209. I went for this foundation because it has a really healthy finish to it, and for this look I really wanted to have a healthy skin, and I'm here blending it with my Real Techniques sponge. So I did my eyebrows off camera, so here I'm just going to set that in place using the Essence Make Me Brow Gel, and next I'm going to use this concealer to clean out the edges of the brows so that they look very clean and very sharp. And to blend that out, I'm going to use this PAC concealer brush. This brush is amazing, you guys. You should definitely check this out. It blends the concealer really seamlessly and beautifully. So I'm just going to blend that out, and using the same concealer on my eyelid so that I have a blank canvas, I'm going to blend that out with the same concealer brush so that the colors pop. The eyeshadow, I'm going to use Tarte in Bloom palette from Tarte, and I'm taking the PAC 204 eye brush. I'm going to use this shade right here as my transition shade so that there's a smooth base for the other eyeshadows to blend. If you know what I mean, I'm just going to apply it on my crease and a little bit above that, and doing the same thing on the other eye as well. Okay, so now to deepen up that crease shade, I'm going to take this brown shade from the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to deepen up my crease. Next, taking this PAC 213 eye brush, I'm going to just blend out the edges so that there are no harsh lines. It's very clean. I didn't use any eyeshadow for it, and I'm just blending out the edges, as simple as that. Now for the whole eyelid, I'm going to take these two darker shades and I'm just going to pack that on my lids, and I'm just building up this shade to get the exact intensity as I liked or as I wanted it to be. So here I'm just using a flat brush and packing it the color. This is not a jet black smoky eye, but it has some red or rusty red undertones, if you know what I mean. And next, taking the same 213 PAC brush, I'm going to blend the edges so that it is very smooth and it just looks seamless. Next, for the highlighter, I'm going to take the highlighter from Colourpop, and this is in the shade Wisp, and I'm going to apply this on my brow bone. Next, I'm going to tight line my upper waterline, and here I'm just doing that. And for the mascara, I'm going to use my all-time favorite, the Maybelline Lash Sensational, on my upper lashes. Okay, so now onto the face. I'm going to work on my under eyes. I'm going to apply concealer. This is the same Elegant concealer I used before, and to brighten up my under eyes, because this is a smoky eye, you basically need a really brightening under eye so that the eyes Pop. So I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm going to blend that with the same concealer brush and later on with my sponge. And to set that in place, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder on a very fluffy brush, and I'm going to set that in place. Next, for highlighting my face, I'm going to use the Fit Me Concealer on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and also a little bit on my forehead, and blend that using the same Real Technique sponge. So for contouring, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to contour my face, the usual areas under my cheekbones, my temples, and also a little bit on the tip of my nose, just to make it look slimmer. And to blend that, I'm going to use the same concealer brush, and I'm going to spray some MAC Fix Plus so that it blends seamlessly. For bronzing, I'm going to use Bahama Mama by The Balm Cosmetics, and I'm going to bronze up my face. And for the lashes, I used the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Jade, I believe. It will be down in the description box below. Next, I did some inner corner highlight with the same Wisp highlighter. In this beautiful light pink blush, I'm going to apply this on my cheekbones. And for the highlighter, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, my all-time favorite highlighter, on the usual areas, hit the highest points of my face. I did take some black kajal and tightline my waterline just halfway, not the whole waterline. And taking these two darker shades, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line and apply some mascara on my lower lashes. And for the lips, I'm going to use the lip gradation from Maybelline in the shade Mauve 1. And that's pretty much it. I added my earrings and bindi, of course, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video just the way I enjoyed making this. And before going, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and don't forget to press that bell icon as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, I love you all so much. Mwah.